This video, I will show you how to install Kali Linux Net Hunter easily on non-rooted Android devices. Yes, I mean no root. You can install Kali Linux Net Hunter entire full version operating system just like your desktop. I won't be guaranteeing you that you will become a Mr. Robot after watching this video, because this video is just about to show you how to install Kali Linux on non-rooted Android devices for free, okay? And also, only a small percentage of people that watch my video are actually subscribed. So if you guys end up liking this video, consider subscribing. It's free and you can always unsubscribe whenever you wanted to. If you have watched Mr. Robot series, then you might already know what Kali Net Hunter is. But for my subscriber who don't know what is Kali Linux or what is Kali Linux Net Hunter, this is a Linux distribution designed for digital forensics and penetration testing, as well as ethical hacking. So why to use Kali Linux on Android? Well, you can use Kali Linux for ethical hacking purpose. You can do whatever you wanted to. With great power, there comes a great responsibility. You can literally use it for your own purpose. It's technically installed, so it might seem hard to you while installing, but it is not that hard at all. What you need to install Kali Linux Net Hunter: you will need more than 9 gig storage on your internal phone storage, because you are about to install a whole freaking operating system in your phone right now. Well, unfortunately, you can't install Kali Linux Net Hunter in SD card. We will need help from Termux to install Kali Linux Net Hunter. So first, let's install needy software onto your Android device. From Play Store, download Termux and go to Net Hunter page from description, then download Net Hunter Store from there. From the Net Hunter Store, you guys can download Net Hunter Kicks, which is VNC software, and it helps us to log in to GUI mode, which is basically graphical user interface of Kali Linux instead of using CUI or terminal or command line interface. Installation of Kali Linux Net Hunter. So to install Kali Linux, open up Termux in Android. It should show you just like this. So note guys, all the commands in this video are case sensitive, so make sure to type in exact letter, capital or small or symbol or whatever, okay? Just type it just exactly. First, we need to download the ISO file of Kali Linux, but before that, we also need to install a package called wget. Wget helps us to download files from Termux or terminal. So let's set up the Termux storage first. Type termux setup and storage and hit enter. Once you have done that, now type on pkg space install space wget and tap on enter. It should install wget simply. Once the wget has been installed, then copy and paste this command. I have given you guys with the notepad with the full of the command. You can simply copy and paste from there. Then once again type or paste this command. And finally, to install Kali Linux, paste this command, or you can still type /install -net hunter -termux. Then it's going to download 1.4 gigabyte ISO file or more than that. It will take some time. This depends on your internet speed. Now after downloading Kali Linux ISO from the internet, it's going to extract ISO file and install into our Android device. This process will take more than 20 minutes. Also, it depends upon your device performance. So sit back, relax, and drink some coffee. Till then, I'm going to pause this video and come back soon. Now, after installation, it's going to ask you one more question. Do you want to delete the root fs file or not? Then simply yes. Press Y and hit enter. Now, you guys are in a Kali Linux operating system. Now, it has shown you all of those useful commands above in green highlighted text. To start Kali Linux in CLI mode, type Net Hunter. Now you guys are in Kali Linux rootless. You can try typing uname to know your system name. You can also type uname space -r or a for more information, okay? And you can type clear to clear out the terminal lines. Now let me show you guys how to go to GUI mode by setting up Kex password. To set up the Kex password, you can type Kex space password and type your desired password and verify it. Press Y on the view only password. Now with Kex, you are about to start VNC server. So type Kex. As soon as you press enter, now it's going to show you VNC port information, and all we need is RFB port number, and you are about to paste it over VNC app. Now open up the NetHunter Kicks app, then input RFP port number in localhost and also type the password. Simply press on connect and boom, you are in GUI mode of Kali Linux. This is complete Kali Linux desktop. You can do everything here as you can do in desktop version of Kali Linux. You can use all of these hacking tools as well and take advantage of your own and hack or bridge. But I won't recommend you guys to do those stupid things. Just use it as educational purpose, not for hacking. I am not responsible for anything mistake that you have done. So the password for non-root Kali login is Kali itself, Kali. By typing sudo space su and typing password, it lets you give a root access. Or if you want to log in with complete root, then please exit this session by typing kicks space stop on Termux and exit Termux completely. Once again launch Termux, then while starting NetHunter, make sure to include -r. That will give you root access from CUI as well as GUI, and you can still use tools inside Termux as well. Well, this is how you can use Kali Linux in your Android phone as a hacking desktop, hacking Android phone. You can even hack Wi-Fi with Kali Linux, and not just that, it can do many things that I have listed image over here. Yes, this is powerful operating system that you are now running inside your Android. You can Google or YouTube search any tool name for learning Kali Linux and its tool, and also you can learn Linux commands from Google. So if you like Kali Linux and other tech related content, then I also recommend you guys to join my Facebook group Haxoid. Haxoid is my Facebook group where you can post technical stuff and issue and have a great discussion. To get similar content on my channel, and if you guys want to support me, then please smash that subscribe and bell button and join my YouTube community. I hope you liked this video. If you did enjoy, be sure to give a thumbs up for this video. I really appreciate it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more awesome content like this. Thank you so much for watching. It's me Haxoid signing out. Peace.